Kia ora again. Alrighty, let's go. So the first thing we should do is add some sections, some divisions into the body. So this is the area that is going to show the content of your website. So generally we'll always have a header, a nav section, there'll be a main area where we'll put lots of content, and a footer. Alright, so that's given us that information. Alrighty, so I'm just going to split that up. Now the header, you're going to put the title of your website and perhaps your logo. Right at the moment, I'm just going to add H1 heading. I'll call it now in capitals, and I'll save that, and let's just test what it looks like, or check what it looks like. Is there anything on it? Yes, there is. Cool. So you can see I've got a default setting for displays. It looks like it's Comic Sans. It's a white background. It's pretty close to the edge. It doesn't look particularly interesting, but that's okay because we're going to make it look interesting. So let's get out of here. Okay, so I'm just going to split that up. It's quite handy just to split those areas up a bit so that you can put stuff in and you can kind of see where things are. Ooh, okay, so let's link. We need to link our style sheet. So underneath, I've gone up to the header, and underneath it's now line, yeah, it is line 7, where it says title, document. Actually, let's just jump back to here. Oh, not to here, but to display, open in default browser. Now, if that doesn't show, let's just have a look at Visual Studio Code and a few things that you can do. Now, down the very left side, you've got a menu, including this blocks. They stand for extensions. Now, there's a few extensions that are really useful to install, including View in Browser. So you definitely want that because that allows you to right-click on your file page and then open it in default browser or open it in other browser. And it's really good to test in both. So that's my default browser. Going back here, if I right click again, open in default, I shall open it in Firefox. There we go. Oh, so you can see that's got a different default, so we need to do some styling, don't we? Now some other useful, so View in Browser, so download that one. Some other useful ones to grab include, let me go right up to the top, Auto Close Tag. That's a goodie. So you can see these extensions, they have stars out of 5, so 4 is pretty good. Color highlight could be useful, as could the CSS cheat sheet that just allows you to access to a few things, so I don't actually use it. This is good. HTML hint. It actually has the ability to do some linting for you, which is finding HTML errors and pointing them out. So you can see they've got little yellow under squiggles and things like that. That's really helpful for working out if something's incorrect. Now the other one I quite like, there's linter. Yeah, so extension of code linting all in one package, so I'd grab that. It's only got 3 stars though, but it works. And the other one I like, prettier. Okay, just yeah, makes things pretty. And colours. It's got lots of stars as well. 3.5. Oh, 3.5. Oh, interesting. They often get updated. Okay, back to where I was. Let's get rid of you. Right, we're going to add a link to our style sheet. So I'm going to type in the word link. Now it's given me a bit of predetermined stuff. It's gone, I think you are talking about a style sheet, and its hyperlink reference is, and it wants you to tell the file what it is. So where have we put our style sheet? Well, we've put it inside a file called styles. So I need to start writing that, then backslash, And by doing that, it'll open up that folder and go, well, these are all the files that are in it. At the moment, we've just got the one. So we'll choose it and we'll save that. Now we can jump onto here and let's just go see what we've done here. Okay, body. We're going to style the body. We're just going to give it a color. So I type in body and curly braces, enter, and I'm going to go background color, enter. I'll choose something bright, aqua, save it, jump on here, right click, open default browser. Oh, yeah, there it goes. So cool, we know it is linked, so that is useful. I might want to get rid of that. Oh, and there's the bell.